BSNL was formed on 1st October 2000. It has come out as a 100% public sector undertaking from the Government of India. Earlier, this department was it has come from the Department of Telecom. As you know, the Department of Telecom was initially Indian Posts and Telegraphs under the Ministry of Communications, and probably everybody knows that this is one of the earliest government offices or the department in the entire country. It may be interesting to know that the department has started as a traffic department earlier, and it was under the Ministry of Revenue. That was in 1850s, around that time. So, it has got a long history, and we have a strong workforce who is skilled in attending to the problems and also do a lot of development, not only in the urban areas but also in the rural areas. BSNL has been growing for the past 10 years, and because of the competition, the work culture in the department also has improved tremendously. There has been a lot of criticism, of course, because the expectation of the customer is increasing day by day, and everybody is comparing BSNL or even the telecom industry in India to the telecom industry outside India. I am really glad to say that Indian telecom industry is really on this stride, and it has grown by leaps and bounds, especially after the liberalization which has taken place in the Government of India. Cellular telephony has increased manifold. It has started sometime in the year 1995 or 96 in a very small way. Probably you may remember that the cost of an incoming call was around 8 rupees, as I remember, and the outgoing call was anywhere between 15 rupees and 16 rupees to start with. And when BSNL came into picture as a service provider for cellular, then the cost came down drastically, and this is to the benefit of the customers. And you have seen that these tariffs are coming down even now, day by day, and now it is the era of 1 paisa per second or even half paisa per second or even below that. So, at some point or other, I feel there may be some consolidation, and there will be other features which will come in, but the tariff may not be reduced further.